Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another brush, a look up close and a little test. We're looking at the Sparmax dual action airbrush, the SP-20x. Now, I watched sort of other reviews on this. I've done a painting with this and I've not sort of had it in my hand long enough to really get dialed in with it. And I had another go with it the other day, and this brush is phenomenal on how good it gets down on detail, guys. It really is. And this is, they're not high-end price brushes, the Sparmax aren't, but what this thing can do is very, very good. It's machined very, very well. I've looked under the microscope with it and everything's in a line very nice. It's very nicely machined, a very well put together brush. Underrated brush, you know. People think Sparmax is like, Sparmax, you know. It don't sound as good as Harder and Steenbeck or Iwata or other sort of name brushes. You think Sparmax. They do solid compressors and they do solid brushes as well. So that's the brush. We'll debox it. Plastic case, nothing fancy. Nice build quality, nice chrome on it. Comfortable in the hand. A nice, solid, well-made brush. The Sparmax is. It really is. You can bubble back with the crown cap on easily. Just put your finger over the front and just pull back and you bubble back. But it's how it atomises the paint and gets down on detail. It really can. So we'll move in, we'll put some ink through it and I'll just show you and talk to you why I like the Sparmax SP-20x on a 02. There's the brush. Really nice chrome on this. The cups are really, really polished smooth inside. They really are. Very, very shiny inside the cups. It's like, and they clean up really well. Comfortable. Find them comfortable here when you've got the body that comes here. Just feeling it comfortable to hold on to. Crown cap, take it off. Drop some paint in it. Straight away, I mean, atomisation on this, it atomises the paint like, see the little bits coming out, that's the grainy paint, that's a little bit grainy on that ink. But look how good this thing gets down. It is incredible, guys. Look at that. Yeah. That's 2mm writing. Look at that. How clean that is on this brush. Look at that. You just keep going down, 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 down. It's like, I'm going to get it smaller. Look at that. That's ridiculously down on what this brush can do. It's phenomenal on the 02. It really is. And it does it very, very easily. What a brush. You know, just dial your ink in with it It's just very, very responsive, guys. Brilliant brush. It really is. Micro detail down with this. It has got it on point. It really has. Very, very clean. And this is, if you've seen that Amazon video I did, this is where you see the difference in the brushes. When you put this under the microscope, everything is in line. Equal gapping round the air outlet, the nozzle's nicely machined and clean, and that's why you can hit this so well with it, because everything is bang on. Look at that. Look how sharp that is on the lettering at 3mm down. Clean. It gets silly down. Look. Absolutely tiny letters down, clean with this brush for a 02. You know, this has just made the grapho look silly on what it can do. And the grapho can get down, puts it down like this, but this thing is like, and this brush ain't a very, very expensive one, guys. Brilliant brush. Spaghetti Miniatures rates this really high. I've seen on one of his reviews and I can see why. It just atomises nice. It's a great one for right up close, doing silly down like this, micro stuff, it'll do it. Comfortable, easy to clean, strip down, put back together, it's nice. Brilliant. Another great brush for the collection, guys. It really is, it really is. I'll leave links in the description where you can get this from, and you can get the other ones, or any sort of the Sparmax products. The compressors are solid. So to have this brush as a first time brush, it will do everything for you. It'll get your detail down, what you need, right down. It does great atomization. A solid brush. This with a compressor and some decent paint, and you are set. You've not got to think about picking a micron up. You're really not, because this will do what a micron can do, as in going ridiculously down on detail. It's how sharp it puts it down. You just got loads of control with it. I mean, that's silly good. Really, really clean. You know, your paint mixes do help. You're not going to be seeing this sort of detail, what I'm hitting here, if you're running really thick paint. You just got to get your paint dialed in. But the minute you do, this thing comes alive, and it's just very, very nice release on the paint. It's not too like sudden. It's got that finesse with it, and that's what you want when you're going right up close. You're doing the tiny little stuff. You've got that finesse with it. you just put them tiny little dots and micro tiny little dots and movements where you want it. You know, I've just been doing loads of tests with brushes like this, working on up close, trying different pressures and paint mixes, and it just works so well. Lovely brush by Sparmax. So yeah, if you see one of these guys, link in the description. If you're thinking about these and umming and ahhing, going, "Ooh, shall I get the Sparmax? Shall I get this?" Pick one of them up. You won't regret picking one of these up either. You really won't. You really won't. They're just brilliant. They are really good. A really good brush. Hopefully that picked it up. Then the letters on there, guys, are silly down, and I mean 2mm, clean, no spidering out on it. Absolutely clean, sharp little tiny letters with ease with that brush. That brush does it so easily on going right up. It's got such a nice machine front end on it. When you look at it under a microscope, it's just bang on, absolutely bang on in that brush. So would I recommend the Sparmax SP-20x all day long? I really would. It is crazy good on what it can do, and for the price, you know. When you look at what that can do, you'd be thinking, oh, this going up £400–500 price mark, because it's micron territory. What that is, it really is on the micro stuff. You'd think like, I've just done that with a micron, and it's a Sparmax, and it's like, what? Outstanding brush. Link in the video description if you are thinking of one. Use the discount code DreadFX20, you'll get money off. So you'll get 20% off, guys, on anything that you fancy over on this website. Just use the code, it helps. And have a think about one of these. If you are umming and ahhing thinking, oh, shall I go for the Sparmax or shall I go for this or that? You won't go wrong on what that brush can do. Dial your paint in if you're running inks, and you'll be amazed on how good that is. So that's the Sparmax. We're going to do more videos like this. Just literally pull one out, put the paint in, and just have a little dial in and just show you how they are, because they all perform different. Everybody says, yeah, every brush can get down on detail. Yeah, they can, but some just do it a lot easier than others, and some atomize the paint better, they lay it down sharper, there's more finesse doing it, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop your comments if you've got one. Tell me what you think about it, you know. Do you run inks in it? If not, put inks in it, because it's like crazy good, you know. If you're thinking, oh, I need to go out and get another detail brush because my Sparmax won't do it, it will. You've just seen what it can do. Like, it's crazy down on what it can do. So yeah, it will do it. If you're not achieving it with it, it's your paint. Transition to inks, thin them out, dial it in, sort your air pressure out, and crazy good brush. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next brush test.